folks, it's me again. I have these leftover, looks like tar paper, bought them at Harbor Freight, drawer liners, and I could just throw them in the garbage, little pieces. See? And what am I going to do with these? They're big black pieces of rubber. They're kind of thin. If you look at the, what do you call it? This is how thick the difference between Snapon and Harbor Freight. I don't remember what these were, but they're, foam. They were huge when I bought them. I cut them all to pieces. But what am I going to use them for? I plan on making some little metal boxes. I've been saying that for 2 years in this channel. I've been pondering how to make it. And I finally figured out an easy way to make it using a bending brake and all that crap. So in the future, I'm going to be taking these little scraps, and I want to make a bunch of little parts bins, but I still have to order a 18 gauge. Is it 18 gauge? I don't know what the hell gauge. I think it's 18 or probably not 20 gauge, probably 18 gauge. I want them nice and thick. So I'm not ordering 16 gauge because it's like way too thick. And I'll use these to put in the small little parts drawers. So I'm going to keep the little pieces. And yes, I will use them for it. This is what sucks though, because they rolled it up like this. They put it like this, and then they rolled it. Like, did you not, people not think that's going to cause a kink in there? So when you go lay it out, it ends up like, oh, now I got a nice little wobble in there. So anyway, like anybody, I guess you can iron it out. I don't know. Does it look like I do ironing? I don't know. Don't think so. So yeah, I'm gonna keep these, and sometimes I use them for padding in my car. If I don't want stuff on my dash to get destroyed. I had elastics that could roll this up, but I think I threw all the elastics in the garbage. They're all gone. So I'm gonna keep these, and I'll use them for another project. If you look at one of my previous videos, I just did a previous video of me doing the drawers. There's no more point in me showing you black drawer liners because there's black drawer. The drawer is black and you're just looking at the bottom of the drawer. But I cut them out in the video. That's me doing stuff. That's what I'm doing tonight. It's a little chilly in here, so I'm leaving. So I hope everybody has a wonderful year, wonderful night, and like, subscribe, and click all the buttons. Thanks for watching.